it's absolutely fine. It's fine. The car is fine. It's nothing. No, it's fine. It's got a couple of issues. That's all. But in particular, well, there is a few more issues than I thought. But no, it's fine. It's okay. It's a bit broken. A little bit broken. It's quite broken. It's very broken, actually, to be fair. But it's fine. And it's just a little bit. It's just very little. Really, isn't it? I mean, it's fine. Absolutely fine. I can still see the car. Still there. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's really fine. No, that's absolutely fine. That's fine. Fine. Yeah, that's just a little bit of oil. That's fine. It's fine. And luckily enough too, if I have a look on this side, this is I think that that play in that is okay. I think that'll be fine. Hey, no, that turbo's absolutely fine. And there's the other one there, and that's pretty fine. It's great. So yeah, and there's the whoops. There's the bloody shaft there that was originally attached to the underneath of that there. So yeah, a bit of super glue, I reckon. Maybe a little bit of number 8 wire, something like that. Possibly a bit of PVA and a little bit of tape. I reckon we'll be away again. We'll have a good turbo as good as new. We'll have a few more absolutely fine videos coming, possibly of a slightly more serious nature. See you there.